front of me is Samsung Galaxy A07 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Start by opening Gallery app and tapping on Pictures or Albums at the bottom. Decide from where you wanna delete your photos. Let's start with Pictures. Hold one and click on all of those dots at the top left corners, or select all at the top left corner to pick all of your photos from all available sections. Then tap on the ones you wanna keep, and to get rid of the rest, tap on Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to delete them from albums, tap on Albums, select one of your folders, hold one of your photos, and this time select all at the top left corner right away. Quick tip: if you don't want to remove multiple photos, instead of clicking on them, you can slide your finger across, like that. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!